Hi all of you. In today's video I'm going to continue my last project. As you all know which project I am working on. It is our food delivery website. Okay, you can say food order website. So let me, it is kind of more a food order website less of food delivery, but yeah, we provide service as well. So let's just start. Let's just resume that project. First let me make a new file. Okay, this time my file is I think this is my 27th video. So let me write hash 27 dot html. Okay, all the source code will be in the description. Okay, you can check it out. So let me first copy all content. Let me open this first. Okay, so there it is. So let me copy all the content of this uh, my last file. Okay, so I can continue. I think I should copy whole content. Let me copy. Yeah, it's time to remove this boilerplate. First let me paste it. Yeah, and let me open it how it is now looking. Okay, so let me see that first. So this is my website. As you can see that here, this is my website. Okay, so I have worked till like this area. So now I want to continue my website. So what can I do here? Like first let me close it. So now I'll add another section, like section dot of what will be the, I think category. Let me add class category. Yeah, category, or yeah, category is fine. Okay, let me remove 1g category. Okay, in this I will write like so I want to add food category which my website provide. Okay, so it's time to add one div dot item. Item is my class, and let me make five. Okay, let me make five boxes, or you can say five parts. Okay, div item, this is my class. Next is hash item dollar. Dollar means two, like 1 2 3, that count. Okay, dollar is for count. Now into 5. Okay, so it is also like showing you like this. It will be make, it will create like this. Okay, so let me press enter. So yeah, that's what I want. So now what I do here, so let me show you first. There is my class which is known as heading. So I'll be using this heading every time. So let me do like let me add h1. In h1 I will be adding first like class. Okay, let me write class heading. Class should be always heading. And uh, what is my heading? My heading should be like let me add one more thing before that. So let me create a space. Okay, so let me add h1 here as well. A class, not class, it's heading. Okay, it's heading. Okay, and in this heading I will write like food category. Okay, food category. Okay, okay, so let me see how it is now looking. First it's time to refresh. It is not look. Yeah, you can see that my food category is created, but I want to make it center. I know what, which property I can take to make it center. I can use. Okay, so let me uh, so let me just do one thing, that first let me add my first heading, which is my Indian food. Okay, Indian food first heading. And let me copy this as well. Okay, copy, paste, and here also paste, here also paste, here also paste. Okay, so my first is Indian food, and now my second one is Italian food. Okay, my third one is like Which food? Chinese. Chinese food. Okay. My fourth one will be like American American food. Okay. And my last one is your uh, you can say diet food. Okay. Diet food, which includes like salad and all those things. Okay. So let me first see how these are now looking. uh, Let me, yeah, it is looking fine. So first I will like let me open my, I want to add images as well. Okay. So my Indian food images, where are my Indian food? First let me view it. Yeah, it is already extra large. So okay, food number 21 and food number 22 and uh, food number 2, 21 and 2. Okay, I got it. Where is my image? I think image should be uh, not on first. Let me write image after this heading. Image, image, src, images. Okay, now forward slash, I think 2, 2, and this time image, image src, images. This is my folder. In that, I think 21 and 22. Okay, 21 added. Now it's time to add like 22. Okay, image src, images, forward slash, forward slash. What is happened? Wait a minute. Yeah, now it's time to add 22. I think, let me see, 21 or 22. 22, yeah, 22. Okay, let me save and see how these are now looking. It's time to refresh. After Indian food, images will appear. Okay. Wait a minute, I think I made a mistake. Which mistake I made? Let me see another one. Food 2. Okay, food 2. And what I've used here, image, food logo 2. Oh, that is the problem. Food 2. Okay, yeah, food 2. Ctrl plus S to save. Now let me again check after Indian food. Yeah, it is showing good. Now it is showing authentic content of lovely Indian food. So let me just add some style to this as well. So let me write, this is my first style. Okay, no, sorry, this is my first category. So let me write here like one. Okay, one dot, wait a minute, what is this? Where is my, yeah, there it is. One dot space, uh, two dot space, uh, three dot space, and four dot space as well, and five dot space. Let me see how this is looking now. Okay, yeah, it is looking really nice. So let me add some now. It's time to add some css. uh, First, it's time to add css to my category. Okay, so let me write here like category is my class. Category, category, curly braces open. And now it's time to, let me uh, let me start the video again. I think there is some glitch I can see on my face. uh, Let me start the video again. So now it's time to add css. There was a glitch, I don't know. I think it is now working fine. Yeah, it is working fine. So it's time to make first display flex. Okay, display flex. And after that, align item should be like why I am doing this. Let me see what also can I do. I think so. Let me just do that. What my mind is saying. So let me just write it down. Center. Okay, center. Now it's time to add justify content as well, make it center. Now it's time to add like flex direction should be like flex direction should be column. Okay, let me see. Now it's time to see first. uh, I think it is not working. Why? It works only on content, I think. Let me again refresh. Okay, so it is not working. I have another like I have another idea, like I can make uh, like I can first let me remove this. Okay, so first let me add some padding. Okay, if I do like padding, yeah, padding uh, 4 5 pixel from left, sorry, from the top, and top and bottom, and uh, horizontally should be 5 pixel. Okay, so let me try this as well. Yeah, it is now going center. Okay, so let me just do like where is my VS code? There it is. Let me write it 26 pixel. Okay, 26 pixel. Okay, so let me see that as well. Let me write it like 66 pixel. I think it works, as you all know. Now it's time to see it is working or not. I think it is working. Yeah, it is working. Let me do like 126 pixel. I think it works really well. 126 pixel. Okay, yeah, that's what I want. That's what I really want to see. So now it's time to add, I think let me just go here. 1 2, not 1 2, 1 or 2 6 pixel. 2 6 pixel, let me write it. Let me just see. uh, Wait a minute. I think I should give padding to my like let me do it 5 pixel. Okay, it is good. So now it's time to add some CSS to my category, or you can say item uh, image, item image. It's time to add CSS to my item image. Let me add padding uh, for 5 pixel, and again 5 pixel, not 5 pixel, only 1 pixel. Okay, now let me see it is working or not. Yeah, it is working, really nice. Let me do it like 2 6, 2 6 pixel. 2 6 and 6 6 is my magical number. So now you can see that a huge space is created between them, these photos. Okay, let me add some more photos first. Okay, let me add some like next is my Italian food. Okay, let me check Italian. Where is my Italian? 19 and 19 20, and where is my Italian food? 19 20 and 19 20, and there was also a pizza. Yeah, 9 19 20 and 9. Okay, I got it. I remember very well. Where is my, yeah, there it is. img src. Now it is images 19 20, first 19. Okay, then I'll use image 20, images forward slash, where is my 20? Yeah, there it is. Now it's time to add 9 as well. Image src images. Okay, now it's time where is my 9? 9, where is my 9 one? I think there it is. Yeah, so let me see first now how it is now looking. uh, yeah, my images are added. This is Italian food. Here you can see that your pasta and your pizza again. Now it's time to add Chinese food as well. So let me add these food Okay, after that I will meet you because it is really time consuming. So I just want to add images. I think my all my images are added now. You can see that this is my right foot. This is my right one. Okay, now it's time for your American your burger, your hamburger. What is this? I think not hamburger. It is a hot dog. So your burgers are here. Okay, and your after that your Chinese food is here. Okay, this is your Chinese food, and there it is your Italian one. So now I need to add some CSS to this as well. So let me add some CSS. Like, I don't want that full image, I also don't want the edges. Okay, so what can I do here? Like border radius, uh, how much? 26% or 50%? Not 50, I think 26% is enough. Let me see first how it is looking. If I do refresh, it is not working. Why it is not working? Let me see. Oh, I have I added border radius to box. So let me just do like cut and paste it here. Okay, here sometimes it happens. So it's time to see the edges. Okay, yeah, it is looking good, but uh, not that much good. I think let me do it like 1/6. Let me try just 1/6, or I will do it like in oval shape. Okay, so it's time to again try. This is looking good. Yeah, these are looking good now. Okay, so yeah, my 40%, or you can say my not 40%, my 70% website is done now. Okay, this is your Indian food. So let me just do foods category here. Okay, so let me place it here. How can I do that? Let me first look at heading class food category. Let me give it ID as well. ID should be like category. Category is my heading, or I can say like head food. Okay, head food for my own understanding. So now it's time to place it here like a cat. What is that? What's that name? Hash food, not food. Head food. Head food. Okay. Now it's time to do text align center. If I do this, it's time to save, and if I do refresh, now you can see that my food category is here. I think I should change color as well. So let me add a color behind these images as well. Okay, so if someone is like in this Indian food menu, or you can say this Indian food category, so what should be the color? So let me add like this is my item 1. Okay, item 1 should be background color should be like what, green, or any color I can give. Okay, like I want to give like I think I should give same color to my all of my backgrounds. Okay, let me do it like this color. Okay, and let me copy this. Let me first see how it is now looking. After that I will copy. Let me Indian food. Okay, it is looking very weird. How why it is looking very weird? I think I need to add some like, I think I need to add a pseudo selector. I should use pseudo selector here. Okay, so let me do it like this. Let me remove. Okay, and this is my this is my let me just see that what is my structure. So this is my category. In Let me make a category a pseudo selector of category uh, colon colon before. I'm using before pseudo selector. Okay, so let me copy all that. So let me first paste, oh, not this. So let me copy the content of my this, yeah, content. So let me paste it here in this. Okay, I think, yeah, let me add background, not this, background color. Background color should be like that silver one, or you can say gray. So let me configure it as well. So this is the nice, this is, you can say, the uh, best thing of VS Code to like configure color from here as well. Okay, I think this is my color. Let me save it as well. Let me see how it is now looking. I don't know it is appearing or not. So let me add some dark color first. Let me add this one. Okay, so now it's time to check. So you can see that my okay, it is only appearing here. So I think I need to add like CSS to my all divs. Okay, so first let me remove this as well. Where is my, yeah, okay, let me remove this as well. I think there is no need for this. Let me save and also remove this. Okay, I think I want to remove this as well because I think there is no need. I think I should configure it by myself using manually, like not placing any pseudo selector. So item background color should be like again I have to use like that gray one uh, here, yeah, this is my background color. Let me copy it as well. Okay, so now let me see it is applying or not. It is applying, but let me set some width as well. Okay, let me set some width should be like 100%. Okay, let me first remove this item one. uh, Let me add like 100%. Let me see how it is now looking. um it is looking not that much good. So let me do it auto. Width should be auto. Okay, now let's see how it is now looking. So it is not changing. I think what can I do here? How to add like this color behind these images, background color. Let me first go to my, let me remove this, and now it's time to check the structure again. So my structure is this item, and class is this my item, and class is category as well. If I target this category only, it is also not working. If I am targeting this, it is also not working. What can I do now? Div class item background color. Let me, yeah, let me give, so let me give dot item. Let me write this dot item, and here I'll give background color like something like this. Okay, for now. Afterwards I'll change. It is only, you can see that it is only why it is coloring this part only. Let me check the check my, where is my what is my box model margin. There is no margin. um I'm confused that now what to do now. I think I can increase my width. in the item section, let me write here width. Width should be auto. Okay, let me see. It is also not working. If width would be like h colon fit the content, max content, fit, I think max content should be good. Let me see. It is not doing well. My website is now injured. I think I should like remove this first. Max width. Okay, so now I can. So by applying width, you can see that it created mess. It created mess. So now I think I can do one more thing. I I can't think the logic. What is the logic behind that? Uh, this is my one box. Okay, if I do like, if I increase the width of like, I've given padding from here. Uh, let me do one thing. Let me do one thing. If I comment this padding for a while, okay, it is gone. No worries. I know what is the numbers. I know the values. So if I do like display block, where is my block? Yeah, display block, and give a width of like 1%. Okay, 1%, or you can say 10%, and do margin auto. By that also I can center all the elements. Let me see how this is now working. Let me add width first. Okay, let me add like width 100%. Okay, max width. If I do now I this is my, okay, I got it. I got it. What is the problem? uh, I think I should use this property in my uh, display, not display, yeah, display block. uh, Let me do it in my image as well. Okay, let me copy this stuff first. Okay, now it's time to add here. Also, not here, this is my box image. Where is my, yeah, I want to add here item image. Okay, and let me comment this padding as well. Yeah, now it's time to see. It is looking now good. Okay, let me do like let me do margin like 66%. Okay, for now, just to see how it is now looking. Yeah, you can see that my color is now here. Okay, all of all over here. So, okay, I can now target like so I have achieved what I want to do. Now I want to do like where is my item hash one? Yeah, there it is. A background color should be like here I want green or chocolate. Okay, or chocolate is my color background. Let me remove from here. Okay, and in item 2 hash item 2, I want like background color. I want like you can say this one. Okay, in item 3, okay, hash item 3, I want like background color like which color should I use? This one. Okay, now in item 4 I want like background color, wait a minute, I made a mistake. Background color should be like tomato. It is it good? Let me check. And in item, where is my hash item 5. I should use like background color. Let me start from here. uh, Red, not red, purple. Okay, purple is my color. So now it's time to check what I've done so far. So now you can see that if someone is on this Italian food, and uh, the color will be like brown, and if someone is on this Chinese food, color will be like this. Okay, it is crimson or something else. So let me add padding between this as well. Okay, so I think I should go here. So now it's time to add some padding, and I want to add padding between this. So first let me show you between this. So first let me go to this image. Let me remove this as well. So let me go to this item image. Where is my item image? There it is. So now it's time to add. So let me uncomment it first. I think it will work. It is not working. Let me do it again. So now it's time to save by pressing Ctrl plus S, and let me see. So now you can see that the gap is already maintained. So I have inserted padding already, so that's why you can see that there is a padding, there is a gap created. And now I want to uh, like remove this gap between them. So what can I do here? I can do like item image, no, not item image, item div. I think I should use category. Let me see what can I do. Let me go to my category, width margin auto. uh, Let me do like margin here. Let me do um, let me give margin like 0 pixel, and do it like this auto. Okay, so now let's see it works or not. It is still not working, because vertical is it is centered, and now it's time to do horizontal. So first let me configure it from here. Now it's time to do it like this, not in the item one, but in this category. Okay, so now it is going upward. So it's I got what is the problem here. So the problem is to add like padding. Okay, not here, in item, in item 1 padding should be like vertically 0 pixel or 1 pixel, and horizontally also 1 pixel. Let me see how it is looking now. Now you can see that my gap is now removed. So this task is also done. So I think this is pretty much for this video, and rest of my wait a minute, yeah, it is done. So rest of the content I will be uh, now I will finish this project in my next video. So yeah, I think the last part is left of this project, and in that I will make a footer, and I'll add some media queries for this. You can see here for this, if I do like if this is phone, so now you can see that my content is now going outside of my page. Okay, so for that I will add some media queries as well. So okay, so I'll do in my next video, and I will be meeting you in my next video.